Good point, Sergeant. We should get ice cream.
Don't you mean we should go back and retrieve that notebook?
Sorry, you're right. We should totally go for ice cream.
Okay, and then we check on her.
That's right, yeah. Then chicken.
Who should I ship today? Ah! The sun was rising over Elmore. And there was something intoxicating in the air. It was love! Which brings us to a lonely young girl called Terry. She lived her life in the safety zone, but there's no medication for falling head over heels in love. Alan rushed over. Did it hurt? Alan said, the gentle light glistening on his chiseled features. Not as much as all these years of yearning for you, she said, her heart in her mouth. Without further ado, they kissed, their lips crashing into each other, forever oblivious to the world around them.
I have no words. Then please, allow me. I'm dumping you, you iron-jawed gas sack! You're welcome.
And what are you going to say about that?
In that moment, I felt something I'd never felt before.
I love the way you speak your mind. Literally.
Without further ado, they kissed, the waves of their love sweeping away everything around them.
I would say it looks like Cupid needs to lay off the ambrosia for a while.
Look, Karen, I've been meaning to ask you for a long time, and I finally got the money for a ring.
Oh, Lawrence, I thought you'd never...
I will!
Serving some bridal realness there, Mr. Small.
Honey, I love it. This'll truly represent our newfound love, and it'll look great on my shoulder.
No, I want it here.
What the what?